Chapter 14 Economic Activities Around Us, Notes and Summary from Grade 6, Subject Social Science. Introduction. Economic activities are actions that people do to earn money. These activities create a monetary value, meaning the goods and services produced can be measured in terms of money. In earlier times, people mostly worked in agriculture, livestock rearing, pottery, weaving, etc. But as society developed, new activities emerged like manufacturing computers, providing education, banking, transportation, repairing machines, and software development. Since there are so many different kinds of economic activities, we group them into three economic sectors to understand them better. The classification of economic activities into economic sectors. Economic activities are grouped into three major sectors. First, primary sector, second, secondary sector, third, tertiary sector. Each sector includes activities with similar characteristics. A. Primary activities. Primary activities involve using natural resources directly from nature to produce goods. People depend on natural sources such as land, forest, water, and animals. Examples of primary activities: farming, grains, vegetables; fishing, forestry, collecting wood; mining, coal, iron ore; raising livestock, cattle, goats, poultry; greenhouse farming, fish farming. Key features: direct use of natural resources, foundation of all other sectors, mostly takes place in villages or natural areas. B. Secondary activities. Secondary activities involve processing raw materials produced by the primary sector to create finished or usable products. This sector includes manufacturing, construction, and utility services like water supply or electricity generation. Examples: converting wheat to flour in mills, making tea from tea leaves, extracting oil from ground nuts, turning cotton into clothes, making furniture from wood, car manufacturing, automobiles, pharmaceutical factories, construction of buildings, bridges, and roads. Key features: raw materials to processed goods, done in factories, industries, and workshops, increases value of the raw material. C. Tertiary activities. Tertiary activities provide services that support both primary and secondary sectors. These are not physical goods, but services that help the economy run smoothly. Examples: transportation, trucks, trains, airlines; banking services, communication, mobile, internet; retail shops, teachers, doctors, pilots, lawyers; restaurants and hotels; software development, repair technicians; mobiles, vehicles, electronics; warehouse and storage services. Key features: service based activities connect producers and consumers, also called the service sector. Interdependence among sectors: all three sectors work together and depend on each other. Example of this interdependence: the primary sector produces milk, natural product; the secondary sector processes milk into butter, ghee, cheese, milk powder; the tertiary sector transports these products and sells them in markets and stores. Without any one sector, the entire process would break down. Dairy Cooperative, From Farm to Plate, AMUL story. This story explains how the three sectors work together. First, primary sector: farmers milk their cows, buffaloes, and sell the milk. This is a primary activities because milk comes directly from animals. Second, why cooperatives were needed. Earlier, farmers sold milk to middlemen who paid very low prices. This caused loss and hardship. Third, formation of AMUL Cooperative. Farmers approached Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel with their problems. He advised them to form a cooperative. AMUL was established in 1946 under Tribhuvan Das Patel and Dr. Varghese Kurian. Farmers began to collect milk together, make decisions together, stop depending on middlemen, earn more income. Fourth, secondary sector. AMUL set up factories to process milk into butter, cheese, ghee, milk powder, ice cream. This is secondary activity because milk is processed into new products. Fifth, tertiary sector. AMUL uses trucks, railways, ships, retail shops, cold storage, marketing and advertising. This makes the products reach customers across India and even other countries. Before we move on, summary. Economic activities are activities that create monetary value. They are classified into three sectors. First, primary, use natural resources, farming, mining, fishing. Second, secondary, convert raw materials into finished goods, manufacturing, construction. Third, tertiary, provide services, transport, banking, communication. All three sectors are interdependent and support each other. The story of AMUL shows how primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors work together from collecting milk to processing it and selling products across the country. So, friends, we have completed notes and summary of chapter 14, Economic Activities Around Us. We have already studied all the question answers from this chapter. You can find the link in the description and on the screen. We will also do short question answers of this chapter in a separate video. If you like the video, kindly like, hype the video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.